So given y double dash theta plus y theta is equal to 2 sec cube theta. Now the auxiliary equation is d square plus 1 is equal to 0, which imply d is equal to plus minus I. So y is equal to c1 cos theta plus c2 sin theta. Now let u is equal to cos theta and v is equal to sin theta. So therefore w is equal to determinant u v u dash v dash, which equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta, and here it's cos theta, which equal to cos square theta plus sin square theta, which